open 3-point shot.
For Coach Olsen Racela.
Last game kasi parang may iniindap.
Nunez. Sean Orgo. No good. No, napupukol. Mintes. Battle for the ball. Orgo tried to save it. Chavo. Luciano steps in. Knocks down a three. Stick to the system. And here, you see that shot coming from Luciano. By the Generals. Chavo pulls back. Chris na naman para dito. Jiangnan, hot pot, hot shot 3. Hot pot ba? Jiangnan na. 30.
Wala, nasa loob na.
JP, this time it's a miss. The show there by Bural. Chavo almost losing it. Off the mark. Orgo corrals it para dito sa Altas and gets
Between Orgo and itong si Chavo, parang dalawang bantamweight boxers.
right. Oh my
Pero
God.
kulang nila mainly is their continuity offense, no? Of that zoom action. Tingnan it because of his length.
Si Bural naman can play the 3 and force Sean Orgo against Chavo. The guarded violation. Go Cruz unable to convert. Chavo aatake. Chavo still scoreless. That will change.
Friend, starting lineup para sa second half for both teams.
Baseline. Chavo tried to save it. Luciano short stab. Gets the friendly foul. Oh, what a play. Orgo unable to convert though. Chavo. Boraldo finds himself open. Yelsano towering all over him. Again, it's Chavo. Almost giving them another pass. No score. Chavo laban kay Thompson. Pocket pass. Tabi ka ng boses last season. As Nat Sevilla gets the basket. That's gonna be it for our...
Coach, second win, and syempre, tinalo niyo po perpetual undefeated. Tapos, po muna sa game.
It's a long way to go. Sa table, we could have done much better. Kasi may mga strokes, we have a hot start and then nakahabol sila. So yung best we could have done namin, dwindle down on our second part. That's why I get upset in the team. So kung sila nakarecover ko yung second part.
You mentioned the intensity of the boys. How would you keep up the intensity coming with more games this season?
It's just 2 games. We have something to prove. Wala pa naman kami. We're not even, we did not make the Final Four ever since. We did not make the Final Four ever since. So we need to work hard and the intensity and aggressiveness each game.
For Kyle, you defeated Perpetual na 3-0 this preseason. How boost is that for your team na natalo niyo yung defeated?
Perpetual, sobrang lakas talaga ngayong season. So, nagandahan namin kasi wala kasi ng talo. So, dapat pagbiasa lang din kami na every game, dapat every game, every win talaga. Kailangan nanalo para consistent kami sa susunod na lang.
Paano nyo ma-adjust yung para sa team na maglalagay nyo yung same level of intensity all throughout this preseason?
Ano lang, susunod lang sa sistema nito sa kung ano mga yung gusto niya, susundin lang namin para siyempre manalo.
Coach, what can you say po sa lalo ni Kyle stepping up to date po despite na halos lahat ng guards niyo contributing naman po sa team?
Yun guys, sinabi ka nila actually it starts in practice. Aggressiveness starts in practice. So sa amin kasi I always tell them that it's always a healthy competition. So kailangan mag-perform ka, you're doing your best in order to make your teammates much better also. So yun lang, so with regards to the performance of yun, maganda naman siyang facilitator. And he's only on his second year, so it's a long way to go. That's why yun nga sinabi ko sa kanya before we telling veteran guards is for him to learn also. So mas maganda yun for our team. Nag-encourage tayo and then eventually siya naman din veteran guard dito. So maganda yung performance niya, keep it up intensity and IQ level mataas. So yun lang.
Coach, last na po. Next game niyo po Aureliano, another undefeated team. Tingnan na po yung magiging adjustments niyo going to that game.
We're gonna look at their games, the past few games, and then we're gonna have our game plan for tomorrow.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you.